Hello everyone. In this video I'll show you how to make modern professional business card design template step by step. Let's begin. First of all create a new file, type name here white 3.5, height 2, resolution up resolution 300 for print and website 72. Click OK. Then create a new layer, pen tool, mode shape without fill, stroke, press enter. Then effects, gradient overlay, again create, double click, add color again, apply the same process, double click, angle, aligner, radial, reflected, scale, press Ctrl Z for duplicate layer, delete, again press Ctrl Z for duplicate layer, effects, gradient overlay, reverse. Then create again new layer without fill, use only fill. Pattern overlay, drop down, OK, and press Ctrl T, right click, flip horizontal line, then hold Ctrl, press Ctrl Z. Then again create a new layer, type text, press Ctrl C for copy, press Ctrl V. Capital letter, Press Ctrl T, hold Shift, press Ctrl R, show roller line, graphic designer, press Ctrl C again for copy, use another layer or use adjust to this layer, double click, enter, press Ctrl V, select, increase or decrease to this text size, paragraph options, character options, up and down arrow key, create again a new layer, press enter. Press Ctrl Z for duplicate layer, double click, press Ctrl T, okay, then hold Ctrl, press Ctrl T again, click OK, press Ctrl Z, hold Ctrl, press Ctrl Z again, then again create a new layer, sorry, delete to this, create a new layer, press enter. Hold Ctrl, align, middle. Add a layer mask. Choose the brush tool. Right click. Opacity. Okay. Again create a new layer. Address. Adjust to this address. Or remove address name. Press Ctrl C for copy. Press Ctrl V. Paste. Double click again. Increase or decrease text size. Double click again. Character panel. Again create a new layer. Note company name Bright Design Studio. Press Ctrl C. Then copy. Double click, align middle, press Ctrl T, resize, hold shift, hold Ctrl, select, click on the background, align, added a drop shadow, then added icon. Again create a new layer, go to open, file. I am already downloaded to this multiple icon, find, home, hold Ctrl, hold Ctrl call and email, find email. I collect to this multiple icon, click open and click on the move tool, draw, draw, remove draw, cross it, draw again, cross it. Then hold shift, select multiple, press Ctrl T, hold shift, then change the color, simply double click, color overlay, use white color, or hold Alt key, press hold Ctrl, hold Alt key, press backspace, press Ctrl D. Apply the same process for another PNG icon. Okay, then auto select, hold shift again, press Ctrl T, hold shift, arrow key, down arrow key, hold shift again, align middle, press Ctrl Z for group, again hold Ctrl, hold Control, press Ctrl Z. Adjust, press Ctrl S. OK. Apply your logo here. Opacity. Hope this tutorial help you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.